Hello everyone, this is going to be a collection video. I've got a few things to go through, so I'll try to get through this quickly. Don't want to waste anyone's time. I'm just going to go in order of when I got them. So, starting off, here's the Kraken. It's a Kraken 2.5 trainer. Got this for my birthday a while ago. Sorry if I'm bad at flipping. A little nervous filming a video. Yeah, so this guy is really nice. Probably one of my favorite knives. And it's held up pretty well through some beating. Moving on. This one I got at the same time as the next one. Both for Christmas. This is the Orca clone off AliExpress. I did try to dye it with food coloring and didn't realize that wouldn't work, so it looks kind of weird here. But I'll get some actual dye and try to make it look nice. Might make a video on that. This is the Ether clone, I think it's called. It's got the comb blade on it. Looks kind of neat. The comb is cool. Sounds nice. It's a fun flipper. Yeah, so there's the Ether. Next up, you have the Polaris. This thing I also got for Christmas that same year. So pretty much I've paid for 0 of these knives so far. Polaris is another one of my favorite knives. It just has a really good balance and it's got good grip. Especially with this line thing through the back. I can't stop dropping. Anyway, move these up here. Next, yeah, the edit light this is, so it doesn't have the interchangeable weight at the bottom. The edit is really cool because it's got all the customization options for the handle. You can make them look almost however you want. Got lots of colors for the handles and the blade. It's really light and fun. So there's the edit. Next I have Bionic OSI, also from balisong flipping, like the Polaris. This thing sounds incredible. Yeah, I think that's from the G10 and the handles. It sounds super good. It's kind of got a weird balance. You can't hold chaplains super well. At least not tighter chaplains. Yeah, they just fall off. But it's got alright grip. The kind of sharp edges on the chamfer. But it's to be expected on something that cheap. Then I have the swordfish from Squid Industries. This I also got for one of my birthdays. And this thing is super nice, super fun to flip. It's light, it's like long, it's got a nice balance. You can change the balance. I have it with no weights in the end of the handles. It's got terrible tolerances though. And I think it's because when I took the weight out, I had to pry the handles and I ruined something. But besides that, flips really good. And then the Barracuda. This thing I also had issues with when I got it. The safe handle would not swing properly. Turns out it was too tight. I just had to back it off. I didn't have the screwdrivers to do that at the time, so I had to wait. It's a little slippery. I don't know why. My texture hasn't seemed to broken in like I've seen them do. It's nice and chunky. It's fun. Yeah, just slippery. And then I got this off AliExpress, the Nemo knife. I don't know what it's called. Besides that, it was just $7 on AliExpress. Decided it'd be funny to get. My first short to get a bunch of views. Yeah, just a weird little knife. It's got like flat handles. They're rectangular the wrong way. Looks kind of nice though. And then finally the Canyon. Just got the thing. It's super cheap. It's a nice design. Thought I'd be able to beat it. And it's taken all the damage really well. You can't really tell that it's been dropped. It's got a nice ring to it. It's really quiet after it's lubed. Nice tolerances, nothing, no tap, minimal play. Overall, super nice balisong for the price. So anyway, that's my collection. Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.